6 years ago, I made what I thought was a genius smart home decision. I couldn't have been more wrong. I installed 20 hardwired smart lights through my house. They were fully connected, app-controlled, and voice-enabled. I thought I was future-proofing my home. Now, several have just died. Some constantly disconnect and require constant resetting. Voice control? What happened to the voice control? Today, I can't even begin to tell you how deeply I regret what I did. If you're planning smart lighting for your home, you need to hear what I've got to say before you spend thousands. Let's step back. During my renovation, I thought I'd be really smart to unify everything under one system, control it all from one app. Using hardwired smart fixtures also meant I could still keep smart control even if lights were turned off at the switch, and hardwired means premium, permanent, and professional. It felt like the right smart home move. I chose Smart Downlights from Lightline Sky, which uses the lesser-known Wiz smart home platform. Now, lesser known didn't faze me. After all, I'm supposed to be a tech expert, right? And I have reviewed literally thousands of gadgets and dealt with pretty much every single smart home platform and nearly every smart home brand. We had an electrician install about 20 fixtures in the kitchen, hallway, bathrooms. It was not cheap. Now, the setup was finicky. Each individual fixture had to be paired with a special wall switch and then each individual component added to the app. It took forever. But I convinced myself this is cleaner, this is smarter, this is long-term. Fast forward 6 years, here's what happened. Out of the original 20 lights, 5 fixtures have just stopped working, died. Several randomly disconnect and need factory resets once or twice a year, if not more. The reset procedure is complicated and often takes half a dozen attempts before it works. Problems that develop persist for months in the app before they're addressed. Voice assistant integrations have broken down over time. Turn hall lights on. Where I used to be able to ask Alexa to turn the lights on or off or adjust them, now some rooms work, but some don't. Turn kitchen lights off.
Okay.
Turn kitchen lights blue.
Okay.
And here's the real problem. I can't just unscrew a bulb and replace it. These are hardwired fixtures. If one fails, it's a full electrical situation to replace it, whether I have to power down the house to rewire it or if I have to call in an electrician. Recently, I've been thinking about switching, but now I'm rewiring 20 lights in my ceilings. What felt premium now feels locked in, trapped. Now, I'm sharing all of this with you because I realize I made a big mistake. I actually think I realized it within a few months, but I've tried to make the best of things here. But now so few of the features that I loved when I put these in actually work that I'm contemplating a complete tear out and redo. So here is what I would do instead and what I'm going to recommend to you, and I can't stress this enough. If you're thinking of putting in hardwired smart lights, don't. Install standard pot lights or downlights instead, totally old school, and then choose one strong smart bulb ecosystem and just use smart bulbs. Now let's talk about why. Number one, because replacing a bulb is relatively cheap and easy. Number two, if a brand goes out of business, you can swap bulbs. Number three, if a better platform comes along, if better technology comes along, you can swap those bulbs out. Number four, if one bulb fails, it's a small problem, not a rewiring job. Smart homes evolve, but hardwired smart technology often can't, and that's the gamble. And while yes, there's always the issue of somebody turning off the wall switch and your smart light maybe not working, I do think that's far easier to adjust for and adapt to than having to rewire your entire house. Now, if I am going the smart bulb route, which smart home system would I choose? There are a lot of great and incredibly responsive smart light brands out there right now. AI Dot or Link Kind, GE Sync, even Philips Hue is great, but it does remain incredibly expensive compared to its competitors. Right now, my favorite smart lighting platform is one that's easy to use, fully customizable, and it syncs lights across a room seamlessly, and that's Govee. Its app is incredibly easy, it feels like the updates are constantly coming, and with a huge wealth of different bulbs, fixtures, and all kinds of smart lighting options, it really feels like the ideal solution to solve my lighting woes. To sum up, if I could go back, standard fixtures. Single smart bulb ecosystem. Now, this isn't a sponsored rant. This is 6 years of real world regret. If you're building or renovating, please learn from my mistake. Smart homes should be flexible, not permanently locked into one ecosystem. I promise you, your future self will thank you. And I've reviewed all kinds of smart lighting platforms, so if you want to check out my firsthand experience with some of them, those reviews are ready for you right here, right now.